Hi! Surprise! Look at my pink hair. Do you like it?
Hello everyone! So now you must have guessed why Cheryl is wearing her pink hair as a surprise! Yes! We are doing the hair surprises today! It is the Hairdorables! Cheryl, are you ready to open the surprises?
Yeah.
Which one are we going to be opening today, Cheryl? Which one do you want to show your friends?
Pinky, Ponky, Father, have a donkey, donkey, thy father, Pinky, Ponky.
Yay! Okay, so you want to do the Hairdorables Series 2 surprise. So here we have 26 dolls that we can collect, and we have 11 surprises in this box. We love collecting surprises, don't we, Cheryl? We have 26 different dolls to collect, Cheryl. Which one do you like?
This girl, because she's very cute and beautiful and stylish.
She has beautiful hair, doesn't she?
Yeah, she has.
So Cheryl wants this doll.
Wow, it looks so pretty.
You want a doll that sings?
Another doll that talks and has rainbow hair.
And rainbow hair. Okay, let's see.
Look at this.
What is it, Cheryl?
Yeah, it looks like a dance.
It's dance. A dance stage, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think you're going to get a dancing doll,
Yeah.
right? So you need to first open number 1. Use all your strength. Yes, you did it.
Wow,
What's that?
it's a comb brush.
Wow, it's a comb.
You can comb your hair. Now the next.
Is it some accessory for the doll?
Wow, it's a shoe and a sticker.
Oh, those shoes are so pretty, Cheryl.
Number 3.
Number 3.
That's my page. No. It's a bag.
Hey, what's that? It left you a note in that. It says color reveal.
Here.
What color will I be? Cheryl, I think you need to put the bag inside the water. Hey, it's changed to blue. So is it gonna be some blue doll?
Yeah.
Huh?
Food surprise.
Food surprise! What's that?
It's a
Hair! For our final surprise! I hope you get the doll that you wanted.
Look at my doll.
Hey, yes, Cheryl, your doll looks very pretty.
She has very pretty hair.
She has very pretty hair.
Yeah. And she also has a pretty hair. Very nice, beautiful, pretty hair she has.
Wow, she looks pretty on that stand. That's a nice stand.
Not that. Wow, she looks so beautiful. Look at my doll. My fashion doll. I am a fashion doll. And I'm nervous and I'm pretty. I hope you like my surprise. Bye.
So Cheryl, you liked opening the first Hairdorables? Yeah? So do you want to choose the next one?
Yes.
Okay, so we have the Trolls edition here, and this is supposed to be a limited edition, and it has 10 surprises inside. Cheryl, you like the movie Trolls, don't you?
Yeah. Because she has some beautiful dress.
She has beautiful dresses in
And
it.
she has a pink hair and trolls.
She has pink hair in Trolls, like you.
Here, no, I have black.
But now you have pink as well.
Yeah. And look here, she wears pink hair.
Yeah, just like you.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's turn around and see what accessories are there. Wow, so you get about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and there are about 2 extra stickers in it. So it is 10 surprises inside. Are we ready to open it, Cheryl?
Yes.
Is it going to be some diamonds? Yeah?
The glass. It's actually not a dress. Wow! These glasses and stickers look so cool.
Yeah, I wish it was of a bigger size and you could wear it, right? Okay, so let's move on to the next surprise then. Wow, that's a beautiful tiara, right?
Yeah.
It's like a hairband.
Okay, let's go on to the next surprise. Wait, what is
What's
It's
that?
a guitar.
Cheryl, so what other surprises do we have? Do we have any more left?
Yes. A beautiful thing for the doll. It's a stand for the doll.
Wow, it's a stand for the doll? What's that? I think you need to fix that on the stand, Cheryl.
Yeah. Better.
Okay, so no other surprises?
Yes.
Hey, you have her boots, her shoes. Amazing shoes that is, isn't it? Very good. So you can now go ahead and put on all the accessories for her.
The glasses.
Glasses first. Wow, the tiara was so beautiful, Cheryl. Wow, she looks amazing. Her colorful tiara, her boots, and she is very, very pretty. So we've collected 2 dolls till now. Okay then.
Bye. Oopsie. Bye. Bye.
Okay, so this is the Hairdorables. Looks like you have a boy doll as well as a girl doll inside. But what I can see is just the girl doll over here in the box. There are 13 surprises inside. And we have 6 dudes to collect. So apart from the dolls, okay, so this is the BFF version, so which means I think best friends forever. Cheryl, are you all excited to see what's inside?
Yes.
Oh, you could go ahead and open it, Cheryl.
Look, there's 6 boys and 6 girls.
Yeah, Cheryl, we have 6 different types of girls and 6 different dudes. That's so nice. 4 surprises. Okay, go ahead. Open the first one.
Okay. I also have a package, and this is one also. It's a shoe. It's a burger. It's a smoothie.
It's a smoothie.
Yeah, it's a smoothie and a burger. Okay, I need to find the dolls. The boy doll. Wow! It's a unicorn. That's what I have.
What's a unicorn clip?
And it's a cake.
It's a cake. That's so cute.
And you're going to the beach in the cake.
That's the boy.
It's the boy.
What's his name?
Mommy, what to name him? I want to name him Alan.
You want to name him Alan?
Yeah. And I want to make him like he's drinking his smoothie.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Okay, so we have Willow Cakes, that's the girl's name, and we have Barbecue and Max. But Cheryl wants to call him Ali. Right? This looks so wonderful. This is a nice setup at the beach. Oh, wow, Cheryl.
We need a lot of toy collections.
So here's the burger and the smoothie in the can.
No, the girl has the
She is the okay, so let's get the willow cake ready. So that's the unicorn clip that she has, right?
It's so cute.
Okay, put her on the stand too.
It's unbox at the beach.
Wow, yes, it's so Cheryl, doesn't this beach look really cool?
Yes.
And we have Max and Cake also there who are dressed up all so beautifully and so smart.
I want the
Okay.
burger.